Hello all, welcome to EVS class with me Yashaswini. So today we are studying one more chapter from grade 1 EVS class, that is child and adult. So my first question is, in my previous video we all studied that we are different from each other. Today I want to ask you all, how are you different from your elders? When I say elders, how are you all different from me, from your parents or grandparents? How are you all different? Yes? What are the things which you just see your parents as well as or see me and see yourself and tell me what are the things which you find different? Yes, the palm size, the arm size, the length, they all are small for you all. You all are of around 6-year-old. So they all are very small. The height, the overall height. Yes. Will you stop at this height? Will you stop growing at this height? No. You will gradually grow. Correct? But now you have all small height, small hands, small legs, small nose, small face. But your parents, they are taller, longer arms, longer legs, big face. Why? Because you all are still children. You are a child, whereas your parents, they are already grown up. They are adult. Yes, they are already grown up and they are adults. Now, how were you when you were born? Were you of the same height and same size as you are now when you were born also? No? Then you were smaller? Bigger? No, you were still smaller when you were born. But as and when you start growing, the size of your body parts, certain body parts, the size, the other features of your body parts start changing. Correct? Now we will study about this in little details. So our today's topic is child and adult. I told you when you were born, you were a small baby. You were smaller than what you are now. Almost like this as shown in the picture. You were a very small baby who had very small arms, legs and very small face and body, who year by year grew and you have become like this around 6-year-old, and gradually you will grow and become like your parents. They are called adults. Even your parents were born as babies as shown in the picture and grew year by year gradually and became adults. So can we say that child or children grow up to become adults? Now, what are these changes in the body parts that makes you adult? What changes will happen from when you are young to adult? Shall we see that? Yes, one is height. The overall height of your body increases. You can try to, if you have any younger siblings in your house, you can try to make them stand next to you and compare your height. And then compare your height to your parents. You will get to know that your younger siblings are shorter than you, but then parents are very much taller. So as and when you grow, when your years increases, your height also increases. But once you become adult, the height will not increase. It will be the same. Next, your palm size. Again, compare it with your sister or brother. Your palm, whether it is bigger or not, you will get to know. And again, compare it with your parents. Your younger sister's palm are small. Yours is bigger than hers, but not very big. Whereas your parents will be having big palms than anybody, than you or your younger brother or sister. Likewise, legs also. This also means that the height will be smaller. Your height will be smaller when compared to adults. But as you grow, gradually you become taller. But there are certain parts which do not change. As you grow, these parts do not change. That is nothing but your eye color. The eye color, when you were born, you might be having brown or blue or grey or black color, and it will remain the same till the end of our life. The colors of our eye don't change. Okay. Now, I am sure you people have heard some people saying like, hey, you look like your mother exactly. Hey, you look like your father exactly. Some might even say, you look like your grandparents. Your grandfather was just like you. Your grandmother was just like you. Right? What does that tell us? That tells us that when we are in a family, some people in a family might look alike. What do I mean by alike? Same, little bit same, but not exactly identical. Some features of yours might be having resemblance to those adults. So there are chances that in a family few people look alike, little similar. At times it will not be only your father, mother or sister or siblings or grandparents. They will even go to the extent that you might look similar to your uncles, aunts. You might be your maternal or paternal. Maternal as in your uncles at your mother's side or aunts at your mother's side. Paternal as in your uncles and aunts at your father's side. So you might resemble them as well. So like in a family member, it is not very necessary that you people look exactly like your parents. You will be having features from your uncles as well as aunts. I have certain keywords over here which I want you people to memorize and understand the meaning of it. External. When I say external, that is outside. You remember I told the parts which you can see is an external part. So the outside, you can see this part. So this is external. Siblings. That is anybody who is born with you, like your brothers or sisters, might be elder or younger, but they all are called as siblings. Alike means almost same, similar. Adults, the grown-ups, like your parents or all the other elders around you are adults. Thank you. So we all saw, right, how we have how we have grown from baby till now, and how you might be in future, and how your parents have become adult, correct? Also we saw that how we have similar features to our parents. Sometimes the children might look just like their parents, or at times they might look like some distant relative, correct? Now what I want you to do is ask your parents like how you look like, whether it is like your mother or father or grandparents or someone else in the family, and try to find out what exactly in you looks like them. For example, if my eyes looks like my mother, or my face looks like my mother, the face shape or the cheeks or the nose, what exactly looks like my mother, and try to differentiate what doesn't look like and what looks like that particular person. Might it be your mother or father? Make a note of it and send it to me. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.